Whoa guys, check a look at this one. This is a pretty big box. So what we're gonna do, I'm pretty sure this is from ModernCoinMart here. They reached out to me on Instagram. They heard about my recent engagement and they asked for my address. So I believe this is something from ModernCoinMart, and this is a big one. So we're gonna open up this box, get whatever's inside out of it so we can get rid of this box, and let's do it guys. Come on, let's go. So this is probably one of the cooler companies out there. ModernCoinMart is one of my favorites. I love that they have a no BS free shipping policy. There's no fine print with them like everybody else that offers free shipping and bullion. What you see is what you get, and I like that about ModernCoinMart. So they reached out, they heard about my engagement, and they said, we want to send you something. And okay, let's get this box out of here. I have no clue what this is, what this could be. Let's find out what exactly is popping in here. Literally popping as we bust open through the bubble wrap. Oh, snap. Congratulations on your wedding. Really cool. So I'm guessing we got some kind of bullion in here. I'll open this up. Now, just so you guys know, I haven't gotten married yet. I just got engaged recently at Epcot, and I'm guessing this is a little engagement gift from ModernCoinMart. So cool that they would even think to do something like that. That they even know who I am, let alone want to send me a gift. So very cool. Congratulations on your wedding. Got a big box. I mean, look at the size of this thing. This is massive. So we'll put that off to the side here. Let's open this up together. Whoop. Something slipped out. Oh, snap. It's a Perth Mint coin. Now, y'all know how I feel about Perth Mint. Certificate of Authenticity, 1 ounce silver proof coin. Very cool. Let's see, it accompanies a wedding coin struck by the Perth Mint. Wedding is a time of celebration, love. Very, very cool. So I don't want to read too much about the coin because I want to be surprised by what it looks like. So Perth Mint coin already piqued my interest. Wow, check this thing out. I mean, this is basically a mirror. It's hard to show you guys how cool that is. Oh, got a little flap here. This is a fancy little box. Okay, it slides out. Dang, fancy, fancy. Okay, so now we got this box within a box within a box. And the hinges are there. It's got a little felt bottom. So let's open up the box. Wow, the Perth Mint, Australia. This is a legit mirror. See if you guys can see this coin. The bride and groom, nice flowy dress. Colorized coins on there, the little wedding bands. Congratulations, 1 ounce, 9949's fine. Now let's see if we can see the back side of this. Go. Backside's got the queen, which everybody loves so much. I got no problem with the queen because I'm never looking at that side. I'm looking at this side, and the missus is definitely gonna love this. I definitely love this. ModernCoinMart, you've definitely outdid yourself. I can't say thank you enough. You know, this is very cool of you guys to think of me. Very nice of you to send me something so nice. I mean, this is too much. This is crazy. Look at this thing. This is amazing, guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. Now let's get this back in this little box here because this was really cool. Now I'm pretty sure this is a product that you can pick up on ModernCoinMart's website. So if you're looking to give somebody a wedding gift, an engagement gift, I mean, you saw how nice this thing was. It's a legit. Oh, it tells you right on here, silver proof coin. But this is a legit little box from the Perth Mint. You can't go wrong with that. It's actual coin, government currency, and a very nice gift indeed. So again, ModernCoinMart, thank you very much. I appreciate that. That's going to do it for this video, guys. If you want to see more videos just like this one, click the thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, the bell icon, so you can be notified when new videos like this one come out. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this coin? Have you ever shopped with ModernCoinMart? Put your experiences down below. Personally, one of my favorites, ModernCoinMart. Double thumbs up. All right, guys, girls, that's going to do it for me. Peace out, YouTube.